Hey, what's up everybody, Sammy here. So this is the Redmi Watch 4, the first Redmi watch with metal frame. I don't know why that's the case. Okay, but anyway, in this video, let's just unbox and give my first look. And tomorrow I will do everything, do a more detailed one about it, what's inside, just control, everything. Let's get started. Alright, so here the Redmi Watch 4 packaging. Here I already took out the watch, so here let's check out the packaging. Redmi Watch 4. Okay, let's check out the highlights. So 1.97-inch AMOLED high definition screen, metallic middle frame. Right? This is the first Redmi smartwatch that offers this kind of middle frame. As you can see, looks better, right? Okay, we'll check out later. And super long battery life, quick release strap. Okay, here's the fashion, quick release strap, and Bluetooth call, and 4-day, all-day sports health. So some basic information here that you are never gonna watch. Alright, so here the watch, and then we have the charging cable, obviously magnetic. Good. Okay, that's the cable. The Chinese one, a very detailed one. It shows you like everything, but in Chinese, right? Because we have to download the Mi Fitness app and then scan the QR code and then connect with the watch. So in this video, I'm not going to do that because time is really tight. So we just check out the design first, alright? So here we have the crown. Obviously, when you rotate it, I can feel the vibration. Ooh, gives you that kind of feedback. Which is really good. If we look closer, we can see that kind of pattern here. Ooh, feels really comfortable. All right, and move to the back. We have the quick release button. When you press, okay, just take the strap out, so you can change it to other colors. And here we have the mic, also the heart rate sensor, charging contacts, also the mic, and I guess this is the speaker or something. I will check it out later. Alright, that's it. And one of the highlights is what they are touting for is this metallic middle frame. But feels like plastic, right? And it's really like lightweight. It's not like heavy at all. Yeah, but it feels premium, obvious. So let me just wheel it. They have that kind of bump here. Okay, like this way, right? You feel good? Okay, and then you let it go through this two coil. Okay, and then that's the way to wheel it. Okay, feels good, right? I don't know. Tomorrow I will just do a super detailed one, what's inside, how the gesture control, everything. So stay tuned for that. Today is just the unboxing, and that's it. Oh, feels good, huh? Feels good. But I don't like the strap. Looks a little bit cheap. I do hope they have like a more color, more vibrant straps. But that's for today. I like it.